Hello everyone, today I am going to teach you about coronavirus and its structure and the transmission, also the incubation period. So, let's start. So, what is coronavirus? Novel coronavirus, which is a newly discovered virus subsequently named SARS-CoV-2, means severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, which has caused the disease COVID-19, means coronavirus disease 2019. It came from the word corona, which is a Latin word, means crown, and it is first emerged in Wuhan city, China in December 2019. SARS-CoV-2 is one of the 7 types of coronavirus, including the ones that cause severe diseases like MERS and SARS. Middle East Respiratory Syndrome caused an outbreak in 2012 which was caused by Arabian camels, and SARS means Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome caused an outbreak in 2003 caused by the bats. So now I am going to talk about how it has came. SARS-CoV-2 has a zoonotic source. Since there is limited close contact between humans and bats, it is more likely that transmission of the virus to humans happen through another animal species, one that is more likely to be handled by humans. This intermediate animal host could be a domestic animal, a wild animal, or a domesticated wild animal, but it has not been identified. WHO, World Health Organization, declared the outbreak a public health emergency of international concern on 30th January 2020 and a pandemic on 11th March 2020. So, the pandemic means an epidemic which has spread around the world in multiple countries or in continents. Now, the structure. Coronavirus belongs to Coronaviridae family, enveloped virus with a positive single stranded RNA. Inside the envelope, there is nucleocapsid of helical symmetry which has spherical particles with bulbous surface projections which protect the virus when it is outside the host cell. The viral envelope consists of a lipid bilayer, 2 layers of lipid in which there are membrane, envelope and spike structural proteins. Shorter spike-like surface protein called hemagglutinin esterase. The genome size of coronaviruses ranges from approximately 26 to 32 kilobases, among the largest foreign RNA virus. Average diameter of virus particles is 125 nanometer. The diameter of the envelope is 85 nanometer and the spikes are 20 nanometer long. There are two strains, S-type and L-type. Now the transmission. It is mainly transmitted from person to person by respiratory droplets while a person is sneezing, coughing or talking. This if he is in a 6 feet distance. And there are aerosols. Some medical procedures, generalized aerosols like in bronchoscopy, intubation, tracheostomy and also nebulization. Then when the contaminated droplets fall to floors, surfaces and objects creating fomites, which means contaminated surface, remain infectious if people touch contaminated surfaces and then their eyes, nose and mouth with unwashed hands. Transmission rate is relatively high. One case spreads to between 5 and 7 people. Although COVID-19 is not a sexually transmitted infection, direct contact such as kissing, intimate contact and fecal oral routes are suspected to transmit. It may occur in breast milk, but whether it is transmissible to the baby is unknown. How long coronavirus lasts on surfaces? Aerosol particles last for 3 hours, copper for 4 hours, cardboard 1 day, stainless steel 3 days, metal, glass and plastics for 5 days. The incubation period is 2 to 14 days. Means it is after the exposure to the coronavirus infection, then appearance of first symptoms. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button for more notifications. Bye.